So differentiate x square cos x. So x square cos x. So ddx of y, ddx means we will differentiate it with respect to cos x. X square cos x. This is UV method. In UV method, firstly we will where u and v are the function of x. So in this case we will first write u as a constant just outside, then differentiating v plus differentiating u and keeping v as a multiplying factor. Means treating one as a constant, another as a variable, and other as a constant and first as a variable. See this x square treated as a constant and this is differentiated. Now here x square is writing in arranged way. Now cos x is treated as a constant, so it will be outside, and x square is treated as a variable. So in this, suppose that this is u and this is v, so u ddx of v plus v ddx of u, means one time you have to differentiate this and one time you have to differentiate this, like this. So now the very simple, the differentiation of cos x will be minus sin x and x square will be 2x, cos x into 2x. So minus x square sin x plus 2x cos x. So hence y, when y equal to x square cos x, then dy by dx will be like this. Differentiate y equal to ax plus b power n. Y equal to ax plus b power n. Differentiating with respect to x, ddx ax plus b power n. So now treating whole as a capital X, so this will be x power n. So nx, that is this is x, ax plus b, whole, treat whole as a, means this is ax plus b, treat whole as a just imaginary treating that capital X. So x capital X power n, which is similar to x power n. So nx, that is this n minus 1, and ddx of this capital X, which is ax plus b. Now n times ax plus b n minus 1, and this will be a plus 0 ddx of ax plus ddx of b. Since b is constant, so this value will be 0. So overall here we will get only a. A plus 0. So you will get finally na or an, a in bracket ax plus b raised to power n minus 1. That is the final answer. Once again you should note that the questions are not easy. These were just based on the simple formula. So just make a practice. Now another question. Differentiate y equal to log x power x, and then prove that dy by dx will be log ex. So the question is like this. You should know that when nothing is written, then here E is assumed, means here for base, if you'll see the base of this, there nothing is written for the base of the log. So if the nothing is written, so you will assume the base of the log is E. Now taking log on both sides. So that will be the log y log y log so it will be log x power x I don't think this is true, because just see, it is wrong. If you take here log x raised to power x, so this will already comes as a x log x. This is x power x, so this will come as x log x. When you are taking the log y, then that will be the log x plus log into log x. That is the result. So finally this has been cutted, because nothing is going to strike in the mind. So we will see it in the next, or if you can try, then you should also try. So that's all about this. You were seeing the RSL study material. See the more video and increase your knowledge. That's all about this. This is totally real video. So thanks.